Fatty liver disease, particularly non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, has become a growing health concern worldwide. It occurs when excess fat builds up in the liver, leading to inflammation, liver damage, and in severe cases, cirrhosis. This condition often develops due to poor diet, obesity, insulin resistance, or metabolic disorders. Unlike alcohol-related liver diseases, NAFLD can affect individuals who consume little to no alcohol, making it a widespread issue across different populations. One of the most effective ways to manage and even reverse fatty liver disease is through dietary changes. While medications and medical treatments may be prescribed in some cases, adopting a healthy, balanced diet rich in natural nutrients is crucial. Certain fruits in particular can play a significant role in healing a fatty liver. These fruits are packed with antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support liver detoxification, reduce inflammation, and aid in the breakdown of fats. In this video, we will explore the top fruits that can help heal a fatty liver. Incorporating these fruits into your daily diet can not only improve liver health, but also support overall well-being, helping to prevent the progression of liver disease. Before we continue, I've noticed that my content isn't reaching as many of you as it used to. You can help change that by engaging with this video. Please like, comment, and share it with friends who might find it interesting. Now let's get back to it. Avocados are often praised for their high content of healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which play a crucial role in reducing liver inflammation and fat accumulation. Unlike unhealthy fats that contribute to weight gain and fatty liver disease, the fats found in avocados can actually help protect the liver. Monounsaturated fats are known to lower bad cholesterol levels, LDL, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL, which improves overall lipid profiles and reduces the risk of fat buildup in the liver. In addition to their healthy fat content, avocados are a rich source of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that supports liver detoxification. Glutathione helps neutralize harmful free radicals and toxins that accumulate in the liver, protecting liver cells from oxidative stress and damage. By enhancing the liver's natural detoxification processes, avocados contribute to improved liver function and can aid in the reversal of fatty liver disease. Avocados are also packed with fiber, which is essential for digestive health and reducing the burden on the liver. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels, prevents overeating by promoting a feeling of fullness, and improves bowel regularity. Since fatty liver disease is often linked to obesity and insulin resistance, the fiber in avocados can help control weight and prevent further fat accumulation in the liver. Grapefruit is another fruit that is highly beneficial for liver health, thanks to its rich antioxidant profile. Grapefruit contains two important antioxidants, naringenin and naringin, which have been shown to reduce liver inflammation and fat buildup. These compounds work by activating specific enzymes in the liver that help break down fatty acids, preventing them from accumulating in liver cells. By promoting fat metabolism, grapefruit helps reduce the overall fat content in the liver, making it an excellent fruit for those dealing with NAFLD. In addition to its fat-burning properties, grapefruit has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which is often impaired in individuals with fatty liver disease. Insulin resistance is a key factor in the development of NAFLD, as it leads to increased fat storage in the liver. By enhancing insulin sensitivity, grapefruit helps regulate blood sugar levels and reduces the risk of further fat accumulation in the liver. This makes grapefruit particularly beneficial for individuals with both fatty liver disease and diabetes or prediabetes. The antioxidant properties of grapefruit also help protect liver cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by toxins and free radicals. By reducing oxidative stress, grapefruit can prevent further liver damage and support the regeneration of healthy liver cells. Berries, including blueberries, strawberries, and cranberries, are among the most antioxidant-rich fruits, making them highly beneficial for liver health. These fruits are packed with polyphenols and anthocyanins, compounds that have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. By reducing inflammation in the liver, berries help prevent the progression of fatty liver disease and protect against liver damage. Blueberries, in particular, have been shown to improve liver enzyme levels, which are often elevated in individuals with fatty liver disease. High liver enzyme levels indicate liver stress and inflammation, and by lowering these levels, blueberries can help restore normal liver function. The antioxidants in blueberries also help neutralize free radicals that can cause oxidative stress and damage to liver cells. Regular consumption of blueberries has been linked to improved liver health and reduced fat accumulation in the liver. Strawberries and cranberries also offer significant benefits for liver health. These fruits are rich in vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant that supports the liver's detoxification processes. Vitamin C helps the liver break down and eliminate toxins, reducing the overall burden on the liver. Additionally, the fiber content in berries helps promote healthy digestion and regular bowel movements, which are important for preventing toxin buildup in the liver. Apples are known for their high fiber content, particularly in the form of pectin, a type of soluble fiber that plays a crucial role in liver detoxification. Pectin helps bind toxins and excess cholesterol in the body, facilitating their elimination through the digestive system. By reducing the toxin load on the liver, apples support its natural detoxification processes and help prevent the accumulation of fat in liver cells. The fiber in apples also promotes healthy digestion, which is essential for reducing the burden on the liver. When digestion is efficient, the liver is less likely to become overwhelmed by excess waste products and toxins. Apples' high fiber content also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for preventing insulin resistance, a major risk factor for NAFLD. By maintaining stable blood sugar levels, apples can help reduce fat storage in the liver and support overall liver health. In addition to their fiber content, apples are rich in antioxidants, including quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Quercetin helps reduce inflammation in the liver and protects liver cells from oxidative damage. By reducing inflammation and promoting detoxification, apples can play a significant role in preventing the progression of fatty liver disease. Lemons are well known for their high vitamin C content, which is essential for liver health and detoxification. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that boosts the production of glutathione, one of the liver's most important detoxifying compounds. Glutathione helps neutralize toxins and free radicals, protecting the liver from oxidative stress and damage. By increasing glutathione levels, lemons enhance the liver's ability to detoxify the body and prevent the buildup of harmful substances. In addition to their detoxifying properties, lemons stimulate the production of bile, a digestive fluid that is produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. Bile plays a key role in the digestion and absorption of fats, and by promoting bile production, lemons help prevent fat from accumulating in the liver. This makes lemons particularly beneficial for individuals with NAFLD, as they help reduce liver fat and improve overall liver function. Lemons also have alkaline-forming properties, which help maintain the body's pH balance and reduce the risk of liver inflammation. By promoting a more alkaline environment in the body, lemons support healthy liver function and protect against liver damage. Drinking lemon water or adding fresh lemon juice to meals is a simple way to incorporate this liver-boosting fruit into your diet. Grapes, particularly red and purple varieties, are rich in a compound called resveratrol, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and liver protective properties. Resveratrol has been shown to reduce inflammation in the liver, protect liver cells from damage, and improve liver enzyme levels. This makes grapes an excellent fruit for individuals with fatty liver disease as they help reduce liver inflammation and promote healing. In addition to resveratrol, grapes are rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants that support liver health. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, which can cause liver damage and contribute to the progression of fatty liver disease. By protecting liver cells from oxidative damage, grapes help prevent further liver injury and promote liver regeneration. Grapes also have a high water content, which helps keep the body hydrated and supports liver function. Proper hydration is essential for the liver's detoxification processes, as it helps flush toxins out of the body and reduces the risk of liver damage. Papaya is a tropical fruit that is highly beneficial for liver health, thanks to its rich content of fiber, enzymes, and antioxidants. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which aids digestion and helps reduce the workload on the liver. By improving digestion, papaya helps prevent the buildup of toxins in the liver and supports its natural detoxification processes. The fiber in papaya is also important for liver health, as it helps regulate bowel movements and prevents constipation. When the digestive system is functioning efficiently, the liver is less likely to become overwhelmed by toxins and waste products. By promoting healthy digestion, papaya helps reduce the risk of liver damage and supports the healing of a fatty liver. Papaya is also rich in antioxidants, including beta-carotene, vitamin C, and vitamin E, which help protect liver cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals and reduce liver inflammation, promoting the regeneration of healthy liver cells. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining proper liver function. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance in the body, reducing the risk of fluid retention and swelling, which can put additional stress on the liver. By supporting healthy fluid balance, bananas help reduce the workload on the liver and promote its overall function. In addition to their high potassium content, bananas are rich in fiber, which is important for healthy digestion and liver function. The fiber in bananas helps regulate bowel movements, preventing constipation and reducing the risk of toxin buildup in the liver. By improving digestion, bananas help reduce the burden on the liver and support its natural detoxification processes. Bananas also contain resistant starch, a type of carbohydrate that is not fully digested by the body. Resistant starch acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for overall liver health, as it helps regulate digestion, reduce inflammation, and prevent the buildup of toxins in the liver. Incorporating a variety of fruits into your diet can provide valuable support for liver health and help heal a fatty liver. By making these fruits a regular part of your diet, you can help protect your liver from damage, reduce fat accumulation, and improve overall liver function. In addition to eating a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, it's important to maintain a healthy lifestyle by exercising regularly, avoiding excessive alcohol consumption, and managing weight. These lifestyle changes, along with the consumption of liver-healthy fruits, can go a long way in preventing and managing fatty liver disease.